Anyway, this is the last story since we don't have a Willie Do wild card. This is some Uber riders. I don't understand this, Will. I don't get this really. Why are the riders in Uber vehicles always so in these type of clips? Why are they always so aggravated? Have you seen these clips? It's on the dash cam, and the Uber drivers just doing their thing, and then the people in the back are, I don't know, doing something wrong, and then the Uber driver's like, you know what? Can you please get out of the vehicle? I don't want to give you a ride. And then the people, they flip out.
Yeah.
They flip out. I'm just trying to imagine myself. Now, maybe I'm not that.
As a passenger or the Uber driver?
Well, either.
Okay.
No, I mean, in this case, I meant passenger. Mm-hmm. But I don't understand the issue. If you got an issue with this guy that's driving to begin with, you're aggravated. Why don't you want to get out of the car and catch another ride? If they want you out of their car, why do you want to stay in it? Like, that's so much tension. Mm-hmm. Why don't you be like, okay, cool, we disagree. Whatever our issue was, I guess this is not, obviously, well, you wouldn't have clips like this if that's what people were doing. This clip takes it to another level because I'm guessing what happened here, he was upset that the one girl was refusing to wear the mask.
Oh.
And then she goes on to cough on him on purpose and say she has COVID, and she's coughing on him, and then she rips his mask off.
Oh.
And then she takes his phone.
Oh.
And it's really rough. I mean, play the clip. Go ahead, play the clip. You tell me what's going on, man.
Is there audio?
Yeah, there's audio. Play the clip. Yeah. What do you want? You want me to turn it up? I got audio.
Okay.
Play the clip.
No, fuck the mask. Fuck the mask. And I got corona. Yeah, what's up? Fuck you too. What you gonna do? What the hell? Don't put your hands on me. You have to get your ass for real shit. Now you gotta get people fucked up.
Like,
Yeah, now you about to get people fucked up.
I can't.
Now you about to get people fucked up.
I don't get it. I actually don't get it. I understand people have quarrels with one another. People don't agree. I don't understand why you want to get into it with the Uber driver. Of all the things.
Broke the mask too.
He's just driving the car. Like, how does it even transpire if he's saying to me, you know, I don't like the fact that you don't have the mask. And I think what they were arguing is you should have told us that before we got in or something. That I believe that was the argument. There's another video clip from the back seat. But I don't see it. For me, I'm like, okay, fine. Never mind. You don't have the business then. I'll go with somebody else, right? Mm-hmm. But it's just people are so frustrated and close to conflict. A complete stranger in a car, no backstory, and then to take it to the degree of taking a phone,
violence,
basically violence,
assault,
and coughing on a person, and I mean, I know people are frustrated these days, especially, but it's just. I mean, it sucks to watch, really. Now, granted, the driver has got the recording, so there have actually been assault charges, I believe, filed. Yeah, one has been arrested for assault. Malaysia King. And that doesn't seem worth it for that individual either. I mean, everybody loses here.
Yeah.
The San Francisco Police Department says Malaysia King is in custody. She reportedly is the woman wearing red in a viral video, showing the riders coughing and snatching the driver's phone and mask. So that's actually not the girl that did the most. The girl on the right did, and I guess they haven't found her to arrest her yet. Oh, yeah, they're looking. Law enforcement says another suspect, Arna Kimiai, told SFPD through her lawyer that she plans to turn herself in soon. This went down.
Hold on for a second.
This went down on Sunday in San Francisco, but King was actually arrested by Las Vegas Police Department. Wow. So this is just not the way to do it. That's not the way to do it, Will.
No.
I am fairly confident that's not the way to do it.
Okay.